Good morning to all. It is Gyan Ganga program 2021 for class 3rd year practicals, chemistry practicals, synthesis of inorganic compound. The synthesis of copper tetraamine cupric sulfate. The reagents required in this experiment are copper sulfate 5 grams, ethyl alcohol 25 ml and liquid ammonia 10 ml. The apparatus required are beaker of 250 ml, stirrer, water bath and funnel. The method is dissolve 5 grams of copper sulfate in minimum quantity of water. Next step is add few drops of dilute HCl to the above solution. The third step is then add liquid ammonia with constant stirring so that the beaker smells ammonia. The next step is add 10 ml of alcohol and keep the beaker in ice bath for 15 minutes. Now collect the crystals and weigh them. The geometry of this compound is square planar and its hybridization is DsP2. The precautions to be taken in the above experiment are: take excess of ammonia till the color of the solution becomes dark blue. The second precaution is add ammonia slowly with constant stirring to get the proper size of the crystals. Thank you. This experiment is performed combined by Dr. Sheila Tikku and Dr. Rashmi Sharma.
Start.
Dr. Rashmi Sharma is demonstrating about the preparation of tetraamine cupric sulfate. She is dissolving 5 grams of copper sulfate in minimum quantity of water. Copper sulfate is being dissolved in minimum quantity of water till the solution becomes clear. Copper sulfate is gradually dissolving. Now she is going to add few drops of dilute HCl in the solution of copper sulfate. Few drops of dilute HCl in copper sulfate solution with stirring. Now she is going to add liquid ammonia with constant stirring till the beaker starts smelling ammonia and the color of the solution is navy blue. The color of the solution is gradually changing and it is becoming navy blue from blue. The color you can note down, that is navy blue. And the beaker is started smelling ammonia. The smell of ammonia is coming out of the beaker. The color of the solution nearly changes to navy blue. The color of the solution has totally changed to navy blue, and now ma'am is going to add ethyl alcohol to this solution. Nearly 10 ml ethyl alcohol to this solution. Ten ml of ethyl alcohol is going to be added to this solution. The alcohol is added in lots with constant stirring. This solution is then kept into ice cold water or ice for nearly 15 minutes. The crystals are ready in the watch glass and our solution is ready in the beaker. So separate the crystals in the watch glass and filter them and weigh them. This work is done by Dr. Rashmi Sharma. Thank you. These are the crystals of tetraamine cupric sulfate which are filtered and separated. Thank you.